That's crazy. Hey, I bet I have the most insane pump right now. I probably have the most insane pump. Bang, bang, Guapo Gains, back with another video, man. In today's video, my subscriber asked me how to get bigger arms. So I figured I have a good friend that has, his arms are giant.
Turn left onto Southwest 18th Street.
All right, so we just finished up the workout. And here's my boy. So what's your name and what school do you go to?
I'm Sebastian Etienne. I go to FAU. That's the college I go to, and yeah, that's where I go.
Cool. All right, and as you guys can see, this kid is built like a f***ing truck, bro. All right, so my sub, he asked me how to get bigger arms, and I figured you're a good guy to talk to. His arms are massive. What is your workout plan looking like? Like, what's your split?
For everything, or just, I mean...
What's your workout split?
I mean, it's literally just legs, push, pull, and I always start off with my compound movements and move on with my accessories. Everyone's different, you know. Some people, you know, after they hit legs, for example, they'll probably just, I don't know, do some type of leg curls or hamstring curls or RDLs. You know, you just find what works for you, because what works for me may not work for you. So you just got to really find out what you like and what you're good at and what, you know, will really push your numbers. So for me, I'll just hit on a leg day. I'll just squat, hit some leg curls, just really burn out the quads. Probably just do some hamstring curls. Maybe end it off with RDLs, but mainly whenever I hit legs, I just focus on legs. I mean, just squatting, because I want those numbers up. Bench, start off with bench, incline, probably some like tricep workout or whatever. Not really too much. I don't really overcomplicate it. I feel like so many YouTubers say a whole bunch of shit you have to do. No, just find out what your goal and purpose is and figure out what you need to do to get there. You don't really have to listen to other people. You don't even have to listen to what I'm saying. Just figure out what works for you, is what I'm trying to say. Okay,
and you were telling me some stuff in the gym about really focusing on the muscle and not ego lifting, is trying to pick up a ton of weight and lift it. Speak a little bit about that.
So whenever you start off, you just, like, especially if you're scrawny and you're fucking new to the gym, of course you want to pick up like a heavier weight and just lift it. Say if you're doing biceps, for example, and you're gonna go curl, you may be fucking like 110 pounds. You can't even curl like a 30-pound dumbbell, but yet you still pick it up anyways. Do what works out for you, because at the end of the day, no one really gives a shit about how much you can lift. You matter more than everyone else, so you need to figure out what works for you. So if you need to start off with a 15-pound dumbbell, start off with a 15-pound dumbbell. Humble yourself. Start from the bottom and work your way up. You can't just start from the bottom, try to jump to the middle, and then there, it just doesn't work out. It doesn't work out. So you just really need to humble yourself and start from the bottom up, because if you try to just lift heavy ass weight, not only are you gonna look like an idiot because you're probably not gonna lift it right, but you're probably gonna hurt yourself. So just take your time. There is no rush. You know, the game of, you know, working out and lifting, it takes a while, and if you don't have patience, you probably shouldn't be lifting anyways.
All right, and one last thing. No, but can you flex your arm for my peoples?
I will flex my arms. They're about 18 inches. I don't know though.
Yes,
but
sir.
I like them. They stay on my arm. I like them.
Built like a tank.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, Sebastian.
Of course.
And hopefully we'll see you again. Have a good one, bro.
You too.